Hello, hello. Hello, Paul. How are you? How are you doing? No, this is actually it's a game I'm going to release very soon that I'm working on right now. Hopefully on Steam to begin with. Yeah, I think I'll release it on Steam and then releasing it everywhere else later on. But I've learned a lot, new things. So maybe I'll release a course about it as well. That's what I usually do. Like I usually develop games, and then I learn something new, and then I release it as a course. So that is possible, yeah. Yeah, that should be fine, I think. Yeah, I think it's fine. This one. Yeah, it's really cool. I found them not long ago. I didn't even know they existed until I was searching for them in the marketplace, like anything, and these were the best ones on the marketplace. I think that was all of the icons. I don't think I'm missing any weapons. Yeah, these were all of them. Now we need to add them. Create a marble game and a top-down shooter. Oh, these ones, yeah. Yeah, these are very, like, one of the first ones I created. Thank you very much. Best structure code. Yeah, that's nice to hear. It's always nice to hear. Thank you. I hope they helped you. Like, you get more confident in creating blueprints. Yeah, these are one of the first ones I created. I want to try to make top-down shooter myself as much as possible. Yeah, try to do it yourself. That's like how you learn the most. It's not too difficult. Like, if you just take it step by step, like every mechanic, you take it step by step. Okay, we need to create the FAMAS first. Oh, I need to save. I think it will be successful if you can, like, if you want to release something, you can create something like top-down, like, actually top-down shooter, and like Vampire Survivors, if you have seen Vampire Survivors, but a top-down shooter instead, where like horde of zombies or anything comes towards you, and then you can add like different weapons. Yeah, I'm thinking about releasing one. 2.5D. Like, you're thinking of a 3D environment, right? Like where you have 2Z assets inside of a 3D environment. I was looking at one of the games. I was looking at one of the games and took inspiration from it. I don't remember what it's called now. I think this one. I'll probably release one. Yeah, like this one. Yeah, it'll be cool to make. I'll see when I have time for it. I'm just trying to finish as much as I can with my game here. How's the volume, by the way? Is the music too loud compared to the microphone? Should I turn down the music? Music's fine, nice. Yeah, right now I'm not sure if I should make, like right now for the weapons, I have SMGs, shotgun rifles, pistols, melee and grenades. I don't know for the rifles if I should divide it into the heavy guns, like the minigun. But I think it's fine. Are we able to wishlist? Yeah, right, I actually want to have it on Steam as fast as possible, but I don't have it right now. Like, I need to write all of the description and things like this, but I haven't done it yet. Let's see if I can sign in here. What is my password? I don't even remember. Okay, I'll see if the mobile app. Yeah, I need to make the the description and all of this before I can add it to the store, but I want to do it as fast as possible so I can start getting wish lists, because that's what really helps getting your game up there. So I'll probably like I'll announce it, don't worry, but maybe like 2 weeks from now, hopefully. The Steam app is updating right now. So we have the FAMAS M4, the minigun, and yeah, MP5K is submachine gun, so let's see, minigun classification. It's just a rifle, right? I think heavy rifle. Okay, MP5K is a submachine gun, so it needs to be here. I'm just going to delete all of those. Save. Okay, so from here we can create a team Tommy gun here. Okay, so we have the Tommy gun. See, Tommy gun PPK is a pistol, so we can make it here. Let me just delete all of those. Okay, so pistols, we have Desert Eagle, the classic one, and then we have PPK. And that's about it for the pistols right now. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. So in the pistols, the Desert Eagle, I already imported all of them, so here we can just add them. Items, we can search for Deagle or Eagle, not Desert Eagle, Desert Eagle, this one. Okay, so we have it here, and then we need the animation asset, which is the floating one. This one is not the M4A1, but it's actually the AR, I believe. I need to change it later on. It's not really the M4. I think it's this one. I think it's an AR. Okay, now I added all of them. I'll try to add all of them here to the base so we can use them when we develop. Let's add the rifles first. I'll reduce the looting boxes. See, I think the AK was too large. Like the hovering area interaction sphere. This one I just made it super large so I could test. Try to make it 200, 100, even smaller, 50. Even smaller maybe. Let's try 50 and we can always change it later. I think I'll make it 50 as standard for all of them. For all of the items, and we can always adjust them. So I believe it's here in the item base. Hello, gamer boy. How are you? Hope you're doing good. I see. How did it go? Was everything fine? Oh, really? Nice. What are you going to do with them? That's really nice. We're going to play Minecraft with them. Hello, Destiny Games, how are you? Video editing, GTA 5, PUBG, and that's nice. Yeah, they require a lot. Yeah, thanks for being here, Paul. I'm looking forward for you to be here again. Thank you so much. This one is very small, like this interaction sphere. Do you need any logo and banner for your YouTube channel? Yeah, I need a lot of things, I think. Not, maybe a banner, I'm not sure. A logo I have already. Maybe a banner, I'm not sure actually. I'm still super new here, so I'm not sure. And you can try, but you don't have to. I'm not sure right now. I just turned on the stream without doing any art, so I'm not sure. Reduce the camera speed here. I'm not sure if this is way too small, like when you try to loot it. Yeah, we can try, maybe. I don't know. Hello, B7, how are you? How are you guys? Okay, I'll just let it be for now like this, but we will see later on if it's too difficult to loot. So the Tommy gun, we need to check that as well. I was looking in here to check the Steam. We can check it later. Fine for now. Nice to hear. Yeah, Gamer Boy, I'm not sure right now. I'll see if I need one. Maybe I have one already, but I need to check. I'm not super sure about it. I'll let you know though. I have you already on Discord, so I'll let you know on Discord. Okay, this one is it needs to be a bit smaller, maybe 45. Yeah, we can try it with this one here. Yeah, sure. Okay, we have everything out. The pistols, I believe. Did we make those? No, the pistols as well. 25 for those. Maybe I'll let 25 be the minimal. I think if it's too small, it's too difficult to loot. But we can try it out. Let's actually just make it small and we can check. This one needs to be 15 as well. Hello, EXO. Hi again. How are you? Thanks for tuning in again since yesterday and now again. Why do you also put projects for sale for money? Which projects? Yeah, it is hot, yeah. What's the weather there right now? What's the temperature? Alright, so now we have everything, hopefully. So let's try again. Let's head in the AK first. And then the FAMAS. Okay, so right now I think 100 is too small, maybe. That's too much. 100 is fine. Like 1, 2. Maybe up to 40. Oh, the peak is 50. Yeah, that's a lot. That's too hot right now. Projects of explaining and YouTube videos. Yeah, usually I just make courses. Like if it's a long course, I usually put it up for sale. And if it is like smaller videos, I add it to YouTube. But I was thinking of making like a free course on YouTube as well. Maybe like, I don't know, like a puzzle game or things like this. Okay, so now we have all of those weapons. And let's add as well. I just drag them here a bit to the front. SMGs we have as well. Let's add those. This one and this one we have right now. And then we have the pistols. So we have all of those. Where's the AK? Why is it not here? Oh, it's up there. Okay, for now we can test the game with just those assets. And we can always add later. Yeah, I'll try to. I'll actually try to make a free course on YouTube, like maybe a puzzle game. Also because it helps my channel, like followers, and like probably it also helps getting more people in. So it's a good idea to do. I think I should start learning UE5 to fully use my. Yeah, you should try to learn UE5. It's like you can learn all of the realistic stuff, like environments and things like this. You can make. Actually, I can take a look at the new procedural generation for environments. It's really nice. We have the Desert Eagle here as well. And the PPK. Okay. And now I can move all of them up. And now I need to turn all of them. I think it'll be better like turning them in the Y, 90. Like this, just laying them down. And maybe move them. I think it's fine here. Actually, they're floating, so I shouldn't do that. I just forgot I changed the system earlier. And maybe try with 10. Like 20 on the Z-axis. Okay, so now we have all of those weapons. Looking nice. Maybe we can give them some random turns, so it looks a bit random. I think it'll look a bit better. Like this. Yeah, I understand you. It's very easy. Can you show us how weapon structure can be switched to another example of conversion from M4 to AKM 47? Can you show us how the weapon structure can be switched? Like how I'm taking the information from the AK, for example, and taking it to like another weapon. Like how I'm using the structure to take the information from, like, for a specific weapon. Alright. I have a project ready that has old weapons that I want to change, but when I change, it stops carrying weapons. Yeah, I don't know. It's like there are a lot of steps to it, so it could be anything that could go wrong, like what information you're reading from the data table, as well as like the blueprint itself. So I would like take a look at the project and understand it instead, because it depends on how it's coded, basically. For me, for example, in this project, you can see, take a look at my locomotion here. If I can find it here in the player. Like, this is how I'm using it. In the animation graph, basically, this is the rifle, for example. I'm just caching it into here. So basically adding the information into the cache, so I can use the cache here. And then basically you don't have to do all of this. This is not necessary for you. But basically the most important thing is, I go back here. This is the most important thing, like for example for the rifle, for the AK-47. Just turn this down. For the AK-47, for example, I have to switch this equipped weapon enumeration. So every time I switch it, it equips a weapon. So you can see it here. This is the one. So if I switch it to AK-47, you can see he switches. If I switch it to something else, he switches. But right now I don't have all of the other weapons added. But this one I switched through code, and you can see it switches between the poses I have added. And all of those poses it adds because here in the enumeration, if you don't know enumerations, you should take a look at them. But basically, whenever you add something to the list, to this enumeration, which is basically just a list, it will add them more, like it will add them here as well. This one is called blend poses by enumeration. So you can search for blend poses by enum. And basically you have to select the enumeration you make. So mine is called e items. So blend poses, and then I write e items. Yeah, don't worry. Just use this one, blend poses by enumeration, and just, if you don't know enumeration, learn about it. It's super easy. Like it takes 2 minutes. It's just a list. And here it is. And you can right click it now, and you can see all of the items I have added to this list. So for example, now I'm going to delete those because I don't need it. And I don't need this one either. MP5, I can change to MP5K. And I need the Tommy gun. And then I need the PPK. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I have 9 weapons. If I take a look here. 9 items selected, yeah. So 9 items here. As you can see now, when I save everything and I go back, you can see now I can right click and it adds all of the things here in the list. So now these are wrong because I deleted them. So let's just remove those poses. Remove pose. Remove pose. You're a legend. That's very basic stuff. It's fine. Desert Eagle AK. Oh, this one is not working anymore. Okay, so now here we can add the minigun. We can add the Tommy gun. We can add the PPK we just added. And so now we can see what we need to do. Okay, for now, I don't think I need this right now. Let's just minimize it. Okay, so now I added all of the weapons. And I also need to go to the weapon here. And now for each of them, since it needs to read from the structure or from the data table, I need to assign a name to them here in the item name. So I'll just give it a name. This is Eagle. And the PPK here. And then in the rifles, we have the AK. We already have this name here. the FAMAS. Okay. And then we have the Tommy gun. Tommy gun. Okay, so now we have all of them, and here in the data table we also need to add all of the classes, but I already have many of them. So the AK, the FAMAS we need, rifles, FAMAS, so it's here, right click. Oh, this is the item class. So it's easier to go to the data table itself and then adding it here. So adding the FAMAS here, right click, copy. I think like this, copy, maybe. Just copy. Yeah, now it works. MP5K. And then we have the P90, we already have M4, FAMAS, PPK. Desert Eagle, we already have the Tommy gun and minigun. Okay. So these are rifles. Actually, this one rifle. This one is SMG. I was thinking of maybe we can add like maybe we can add like a slot for SMGs, because I was thinking maybe the player can loot one rifle and or two rifles actually. So basically you can loot the AK and you can also loot the FAMAS as well, because you can do that already. Right now you can't. You'll get an error because I still need to add those weapons. But maybe instead of looting two rifles, I'll make it so that you can loot one rifle, but you can also loot one like SMG as well. So you have a rifle and an SMG in the inventory and a pistol. So you can think of it just like in Counter-Strike, but you can also like you can loot as SMG and rifle at the same time. Maybe I'll do that actually. I'm not sure. That'll be fun. Hopefully. We'll try. We can try. I like the idea though. Actually, let's try. Why not? Maybe we should try. What do you think? Like, what do you think of the idea? Like, the player can loot one rifle, but you can also loot one SMG at the same time. So in the inventory, you have both. So not only one rifle. So you can loot the Tommy gun, for example, and you can also loot the minigun at the same time. Or you can loot the FAMAS and you can loot the MPK, for example, at the same time. I think it'll be a unique idea. It'll be fun to dual wield, like if you have two MP5Ks, you can dual wield them. That'll be fun. Okay, so let's try it. Actually, I think I'll do that. So we have the rifle section in the inventory, and we also have SM. Okay, so here in the player, we need to attach to the sockets as well. That's the best explanation I've seen so far. I mean, this one is better than all of them. It quickly explains to you how it shoots. So it's semi-auto, it's just one shot. I know burst is 3 shots. That's pretty funny. Okay, so we have... Let's see here. Okay, so auto and semi-auto for the AK. I'll just see. I want to see if it actually takes the values here. So let's try to download this file. Nice, takes both of them. 105 sure development subscribed. Thank you so much, bad guy. How are you? I hope you're doing good. Thank you for the subscription. I'm not sure if my follower goal is working, so yeah, I'm not sure. I'm new to this, so it's my first time adding this goal. I'm just home from welding. Thanks for us. Oh, really? From, is it your work? You only use blueprint classes? Yes. I'm just going to turn this down a bit. Yes, I'm only using blueprints to develop the game. Hello, Mikkel, how are you? How are you guys? Okay, so this one, the fire mode I just changed, so we need to change how it works here. Okay, so we need to maybe use the Let's see how I'm actually going to do this. We can get, doesn't make sense that we get. Let's see how we're going to use this. Taking a welding course to widen my skill set. I'm unemployed at TM, worked as a 3D animator with game dev team last year. Oh, really? Nice. That's really nice to know. Do you have any work I can see? I'm always interested in seeing things like this. What is this project for? For Steam or for Udemy? This one is for Steam. I want to release this game on Steam and hopefully also on the other platforms like Xbox and all of the other ones. But for now, just focusing on Steam. This one, I'm not sure how we should make this one. Yeah, find is probably the one we're going to use like this. And then we can, yeah, for now, let's just do it like this. So we can actually play the game. And so right now I just added all of the weapons here that I have right now. And I need to, let's see what I need to do now. I need to, what was I doing actually? Here in the weapon info, I was just adding those here. Yeah, I just created an SMG inventory class, so I just need to add those in here so it can work actually. I can throw it to you on Discord where most of the work was done. Yeah, sure, I'll add that one. Bad guy. Let's see here. Discord. And add friend. Okay, I send a friend request. Okay, so for now, okay, the FAMAS, I think burst as well. It has burst. Semi-automatic. Burst and full fire. Okay, so auto. Burst. And semi-auto. I don't know if I should put semi-auto first. Auto, semi-auto, and then burst. It makes sense to have burst first, I think. The M4A1. I don't think it has anything else. Oh, it also has semi-automatic. Semi-automatic 3-round burst firing modes. Oh, so semi-automatic and fully fire. So this one. Yeah, this one is just full fire, maybe. Single, full auto, burst. What? It has everything. That's OP. Just a second, I'll just a moment.
takes. First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh,
All right, I'm back.
second thing, second,
All right, let me see.
tell me what you think.
I'm going to take a look.
I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, the master of my sea. Oh, I was broken from a young age.
I have too many messages. I need to look through them.
Poems for the few that look at me, took me, shook me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the.
That's pretty cool. It's nice. Like it's nice, smooth animations actually. They're very smooth to look at. How long time have you been doing animation for? Looks nice. Yeah, they're looking pretty smooth. Pretty cool.
Things turn, send a prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove. Oh, ooh, your spirit up above. Oh,
That was my first actual animation job, so only. Oh, really? Oh, yeah, you already told me you did it for a year. That's nice. Pretty cool. I mean, looks pretty good. You should keep going at it. I mean, you're doing great. See here, the P90. What firing modes does it have? P90 firing modes. S for safe, semi-automatic, and okay, so just semi-auto. PPK. PPK is just a single, and then this legal is just a single, and then Tommy gun. I'm not sure. Tommy gun firing modes. Currently studying more level design with another dev team as well. Oh, that's nice. Is it paid work or is it like learning and things like this? Single fire, auto, so full auto, single fire and full auto. So basically semi-auto and then auto here. The minigun is basically just full automatic. Okay, now those are done. We have the firing speed. I need to. Usually I just Google those. It's easier. Firing speed, or just you can say bullets per second or minute. I don't know actually how they. I don't know how they calculate that though. I'm currently just the lead animator, giving up a couple of us a crash course, and later there might be. That's really nice. Maybe I'll hit you up because I need like an animator. My animation sucks. I need to work on the animations. They are really bad. Like especially the reloading animations. My reloading animations suck so much. I need to change those. Let's see. So the firing speed, I don't know how they calculate that. I think per minute. Bullets per minute. 650 rounds per minute, which is like this is bullets per second. 650, so that's like 11 shots per minute. Practical. What is cyclic versus practical? Oh, like how much you can shoot, like, well, this one is the real one. About 600 rounds per minute. .600 rounds per minute. Okay, so basically 10 bullets a second. I'm simple brain. I did a first person short experiment, but I just put all the blueprint data in the first person character blueprint. Yeah. I did that in the beginning when I was coding. I put everything inside of the first, like the character. That happens like usually when you start like in the beginning. FAMAS firings, FAMAS rounds per minute. The FAMAS are high with 900 to 1100 rounds per minute. Is about 1000. 1000 divided by 60. 1100 divided by 60. Okay, so I'll say 17 bullets. $950. This one is saying 950. That's 15, 16. Okay, I'll say 16. So let's say 16 bullets per second. That's a lot of bullets. So M4A1, let's try that. M4A1 rounds per minute. Max continuous rounds 180. Theoretically 600 to 900 depending on the specific rifle and rounds being fired. $700 to $970. I gotta prepare for that level design stuff. Thanks for this. Yeah, no worries. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's always nice to have people here. Thank you so much, and good luck with your level design as well. Have fun with it. Yeah, no worries, no worries. Thank you. Thanks to you too. Okay, let's see this M4. Some people are saying 180, which doesn't make sense. Per minute. 12 to 15 rounds per minute. Doesn't make sense. Bullets, maybe? It's better to write bullets. 700 to 950 per minute. Okay. So between 11.6 950 to 15.8. Okay, so let's say something in between. So like 14. See what I've written here. I've written 15. So the AK is 10. The M4 is actually faster. Basically between 12 to 15. Maybe I'll write 14 for this one. 14 times 60, that is 840. Okay, let's say 14. MP5K. Bullets per minute. 800 rounds. Let's say 13 for this one. 13. Yeah, this one 900. That is 15. The PPK, I think just running one for the pistols. I don't think it needs anything here. This illegal as well. The Tommy gun. Let's see that as well. $650. This one's saying 700 to 900. This one's saying 830. So around 700 is most of them what they're saying. 750 maybe. Maybe 12. Yeah, 13, I think 13 will be fine. And the minigun, that will be fun. That's a fun one to make. I'm excited to code this one. 6,000. 6,000 per minute. That's a lot of bullets. 6,000 divided by 60. That's 100. That's super quick. That's gonna be fun to shoot actually. I mean, maybe we need to nerf it. That is too many bullets. Yeah, I don't know. I think this needs to be nerfed. Recoil. All of this we can fix later. Bullet spread, this one. All right, I'll be off, guys. I think I'll continue later. I have to do some things now. But I think I'll be on later, or maybe tomorrow as well. So thank you a lot for watching and tuning in, for everyone who has been here and still here. So I'll see you later on, or tomorrow hopefully as well. Hello, Lorman. Is this new course or preparing addition? This one is actually a game I'm going to release to Steam. It's something I'm working on, and hopefully releasing it as well. But I think it will also be an addition to the FPS course. I've learned a lot of new things, like improved things as well. So maybe I'll add that one there. But it's a game I'm working on to release on Steam and hopefully also other platforms. But yeah, that's right now I'm just adding the weapons and adding it here in the data table, all of the information for the weapons. I'm almost finished with those. And it looks like the game looks a lot better with high view, but it crashes whenever I'm streaming, so like if I go super high, it will crash. I don't know why. I need to fix OBS. So that's the game I'm working on right now. The characters are super great to use. I need to like fix them later on, but you can customize a lot of them. They're really nice to work with. But you can customize them later, so I'll add customization for those as well. But yeah, that's what I'm working on. Just a game I want to release, and hopefully, probably also, of course, it's like whenever I learn new things, I also release them, like in courses as well. All right, but I'll be heading out now. I'll hopefully be on later, or maybe tomorrow instead of later. But thanks to everyone who's been here, and I hope you'll have a nice day as well. So thank you.